Okay, so we are discussing about a very peculiar thing. Chief ministers in India. First time, I believe people would be remembering 2018 election. 2018, there was an election in state level election in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Chhattisgarh. These are the three states in India where elections were happened in 2018, I believe, December time frame. And the people who were shown to and the people, the leaders who were shown to the people that they will become chief minister of the state, they were young people. Okay, I believe here in Rajasthan, okay, Rajasthan, there is, I believe, captain. I forgot his full name. Okay, pilot, Sachin Pilot. Sachin Pilot is the person who was shown to the people that he will become chief minister of the Rajasthan. Young leadership, everything. Madhya Pradesh, it was shown as a Scindia. Scindia, I forgot his full name. He was shown to the people that he is a young face and he will become chief minister of your state. I don't know what was in Chhattisgarh. Election happened, and indeed the people from Congress they won the election. But surprisingly, when the chief minister selection was going on, then old people they came in the front. I believe Ashok Gehlot he came in the Rajasthan. There was a big noise happened in Rajasthan because people were knowing that Pilot will become chief minister, whereas here Scindia will become chief minister. But very old person, 74 years, 75, Kamal Nath, he came as a chief minister of the Madhya Pradesh. I believe similar thing happened in the kind I don't know about the Chhattisgarh. Means the ritual was you show a young guy and place the old guy. But nowadays, within last 5 years, so 2021, 2022 onward, a new trend is seen in India where what people are showing to the people as candidate that does not matter. But young people are coming and sitting on the chair of chief minister. This can be considered as a very vast change in political scenario. In the first episode of this video, the previous day, we took name of many states in India where young people they have replaced the old people. The biggest case is Bihar, where the person who fought the election in the name of the person Nitish Kumar, in his name election was fought. He became the chief minister also, but somehow dramatically within 3 months, young person called Samrat Chaudhary, he is coming in front and he is taking oath as the chief minister of Bihar. Okay, means young people are replacing old people, even though election has been won in the name of old people. Okay, exactly reverse happened in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, Raman Singh was projected. Madhya Pradesh, Shivraj Singh Chauhan was projected. And here Basundhara Raje Scindia was projected. But selection of the chief minister when it started happening, young people they came. Bhajan Lal Sharma, okay, and this side Mohan Yadav, and this side I believe I forgot his name, Vishnu Dev Sai, I think so. All are young people, they came in front. This is a new trend in Indian politics. How it is good, I don't know. Means the Congress party earlier they focused on the mature democracy. Very mature people will sit on the democratical high post. That was the tradition trend earlier. 5 years back, 4 years back, since 1947, that was the trend. Everywhere, very matured people they were sitting on the chief minister chair. Surprisingly, we are seeing within past 4 years, even though matured people are sitting on the chair, the new people are replacing them. Meanwhile, even though election is not happening, meanwhile during the course, the new people are replacing the old people. Okay, this is happening in Karnataka also. Young person, young leadership, Mr. Shiv Kumar. I believe DK Shiv Kumar. Pardon me if I'm saying wrong name because that is a big crime. Mr. DK Shiv Kumar, very versatile person. He is like a computer only. Every time you will see, he will very active. Means I have seen this much active person. Rarely. Every time you see, he will be active like a robot one. Means always active. He sleeps or he does not sleep, I don't know. Every time he will be very active. He is like a 25-year-old person. He is more active than 25-year-old person. I'm not saying everyone would have seen him. Now he is replacing little older person, Siddharamaiah. He is 77, 78 year old, and he is barely 60, 62 year old. Means now young leadership is coming everywhere. We have given proof of few states that you can watch in the previous video. Today I am going to cover rest of the states where the change in leadership has happened in the past 3 years or 4 years. Surprisingly, India has taken the back again. This much has never been seen in India. India has taken as the back again. So we will see what happened in India, what is happening in India, in other states that we had not covered yesterday, where the chief minister has changed in the past 4 to 5 years. Okay, states we covered is Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. Except Andhra Pradesh, we have seen everywhere the new young chief minister are sitting on the chair. Now we will continue. In Manipur, Yumnam Khemchand, Yumnam Khemchand is present chief minister, and he replaced Bisan Singh. February 2026. Recently, Manipur election happened. 61-year-old person replaced 65-year-old. So, not vast difference, but again, younger person came into the picture. If I talk about Mizoram, okay, then Lal Dhauma, he is replacing Joram Thanga, and it happened in December 2023. Lal Lal Thama or Dhoma, pardon me again if I'm saying anything wrong. 74-year-old person is replacing 80-year-old, even though both are old, but still 6 year younger person is replacing the old person. Okay, Nagaland, Pondicherry, Sikkim, I don't have data. Uttarakhand, because same person is continuing for 7, 8 years. We have taken data only for the chief minister that has changed in 3, 4 years only, because this trend is going on for recently only. If I talk about Odisha, the new chief minister is Mohan Charan Manji. Mohan Charan Manji in Odisha. And his age is 53-year-old, and he is replacing Naveen Patnaik. I believe he was chief minister for 20 years. Naveen Patnaik is 77-year-old, and he is being replaced by Mohan Charan Manji. He is replaced what June 12, 2024. 53-year-old person is replacing 77-year-old, means 24 year younger. Punjab, Bhagwant Singh Mann. His age is 52 year only. Bhagwant Singh Mann. He used to be comedian in television. I had watched very okay. Someone say comedian is very small thing. He was doing it, but he was very talented. There also. I was watching him, I believe 20 years back or something like that. There also Bhagwan Singh Mann was very talented person. There also. A talented person can go anywhere and he will shine there. That does not matter. Anyway, so Bhagwan Singh Mann is a highly talented person. Everyone know about him. He is 52-year-old Bhagwan Singh Mann. He is currently Chief Minister of Punjab and he replaced Charanjit Singh Channi. But Charanjit Singh Channi was a very short duration transition period Chief Minister only. Prior to that, Captain Amrinder Singh was there. So I would rather say Bhagwant Mann replaced Amrinder Singh practically. Okay, and Amrinder Singh was some 80-year-old. So 80-year-old is replaced by 52-year-old, even though Charanjit Singh Channi is 59 years, 60-year-old. So everywhere young people are replacing old people. I don't know how it is happening. May 2022. Rajasthan Ashok Gehlot 72-year-old and he is replaced by Bhajan Lal Sharma 58-year-old. Again, young face is coming replacing the old face. Tamil Nadu. M.K. Stalin, M.K. Karunanidhi, I think M.K. Karunanidhi, very famous name in Tamil Nadu, very experienced person. Okay, now his son MK Stalin, I don't know how much famous, 5 years, he showed a maturity, that is for sure. But whatever it is, his age is 73-year old. MK Stalin is not a young person. Even though he was son of MK Karunanidhi, who was old person, but his son is also old. 73-year-old MK Stalin, he is replaced by a cinema actor, Mr. Vijay. So Vijay is 51-year-old. I should not say he is very handsome because if he is an actor, then certainly he will be very handsome and he will be talented. That is for sure. So he is a talented person. He is a handsome person. I believe he will use his talent the way he used in cinema. He will use here also. Very talented person. I won't say very handsome person because obviously he will be handsome when he was hero. Anyway, so Mr. Vijay, 51-year-old, he is replacing MK Stalin, 73-year-old, recently only May 10, 2020. Telangana, Revant Reddy, 50-year-old, he is replacing Sri Chandrasekhar Rao, December 7, 2023. 50-year-old is replacing 70-year-old. Means this is new trend in India, West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee, very famous name. Since I gained means typically ninth class, 8th class, or 10th standard when you read, then you start hearing about the leader name, and then you understand little bit also. Since then, I am hearing about Mamata Banerjee. Since then. Mamata Banerjee, very famous name in West Bengal. Jyoti Basu, Mamata Banerjee, they were very famous name in West Bengal. Now Mamata Banerjee is 71-year-old. Okay, good thing about Mamata Banerjee is that no very high profile kind of scam or very kind of honest lady. This is why I would say. Either she was railway minister, any minister in the center, she was always very honest. That is for sure, but she lost the election. There are many criteria under which people did not find her very good. Anyway, now Suvendu Adhikari, he is the chief minister of West Bengal. He is 55 years old. He is in his 50s. So I put 55. So if he is 55-year-old, he is replacing Mamata Banerjee, 71-year-old. Gujarat, Bhupender Patel, 64-year-old, right now, I think. And he replaced Vijay Rupani. I believe uh, Vijay Rupani would be old, even much older. Vijay Rupani is no more. Very sad demise happened in aeroplane accident. Otherwise, even though he was not a senior star, but he was very handsome. Vijay Rupani. Rupani means a person with very good roop. Roop means face. He was really very handsome person, Vijay Rupani. Anyone will feel very happy when he see Vijay Rupani. Very handsome person. Anyway, he is no more, but Bhupender Patel, younger person, he replaced Vijay Rupani. Means this is the new trend in India where young people everywhere they are replacing the old people, and 3 4 years prior the trend was opposite. Since 1947, old people were taking care of the state. Now new people are taking care of the state. Now it is a question that what will happen. It will deteriorate the democratic situation in India, or it will improve. The only two things can happen: either it will deteriorate or it will improve. Same way, it will not continue. I think people did not want the same way.